That squirrel right there, dude, he's got a bagel. He's a New York squirrel, man. Look at that. I'm trying to get him some cream cheese. Where did he go? He had a whole bagel. That selfish son of a bitch. He couldn't even share it. There he is. See that? I see you, bagel squirrel. I hope a freaking iguana shoots you today. Look at that. He don't know what to do with it. He's so selfish. Look at him. What a greedy son of a bitch. I hope a hawk comes down and gets you today, man. I hope this is your last meal. Yeah, I said it. Look at that. You can't, a hoagie, that's not even a bagel. You probably have diabetes anyway.